Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to show you some more Featherly Friends Halloween Birds 2025 from Target. Now guys, if you saw my other video, I did make a video of Halloween 2025 Featherly Friend Birds recently. Um, but little did I know that they were gonna come out with some more of these birds for Halloween. So I went on and I purchased the rest of the batch, and I am making this video for you today just to give you my personal review on these cuties. So this one here, her name is Bonita. She has this cute little bow in the front and skeleton here on her chest and on her wings. She has a cute little design on the back of her tail. A lot of them have that. And she appears to be wearing maybe this could be a coat or a jacket. But it is a very well made bird. They are made out of styrofoam and felt. They are just the cutest birds ever. So on the name it says her name, Bonita, hide and eek on the tag. You can search hide and eek on for Halloween. You're gonna find so many other items as well. They make such beautiful decorations for Halloween and for all the seasons and all the like some occasions like graduation and birthdays and so on. So on the back of the tag here, on the tag here on the foot, it says 2025, the year. And on the back of the tag, it has the name of the bird, Bonita. Guys, do not take out the tags. If you purchase these birds, leave the tags on it. Um, I have a friend and she just takes all the little tags off the feet. I don't know why. And I think it's cute just to leave the tag on the foot. So yeah, this is Bonita. And Bonita is pretty, I believe. And that's what it means in Spanish. And I do think the name fits the bird. She's a pretty little bird, Bonita. Now moving on, I'm going to show you, this is my son's favorite. And this is the Good Witch. And her name is Glitzy. You can see here, her name is Glitzy. And this pretty one has a cute little pink cape. Cute little pink bow here in the front. Nice hair, like looks like it's attached to the bird here. Can't mess the bird's hair up. It's impossible. Very well made, like I told you about the other bird. They're all well made birds. Let me see if it has the little design on the back. Yes, it does. It has the little design on the back as well. I think they're starting to make to put the design on all the birds. I do have some that don't have it, but I think they're starting to put them on all the birds maybe. And cute little hat with the purple bow. I love the colors that they chose for this bird. Like a purple and a pink color. Very, very cute. It looks like it could be a part of this one here. Purple over here. Cute. They match. And this is Glitzy. Glitzy the Good Witch. I love this one too. So then we're going to move on to this one here. Cute little ghost. And his name is Whisper. Whisper. I like that. Again, pink. I guess they went with those colors for some of the birds. And again, the tag says Whisper. And the other sign says 2025. Name on the tag. I always like to leave these tags also on the bird. I think the first set of birds, like, I took the tag off. And I just instantly regretted it. I wish that I would have left it on. Again, yes, the design on the back of the tail. Cute little pink bow here. Yeah, I really like these birds. I am so hooked on these birds. And I just have to show you all the birdies as I buy them. I'm trying to get all the other past birds as well, and we'll be making a video every time I collect like a series, a whole series. I'll make a video for you guys. I love them, and I just, I know it's a lot of birds, and you're probably wondering, where do I put those birds? Well, I have them in a bin, and one day I am going to like find the perfect spot to be able to display all of them. Now, this one here is a cat. His name is Shady. Is he a cat? I'm not sure. Yes, he is. He has a tail here. He is a cat. See, this one doesn't have the design on the back. He has a cute little skeleton, a skull. He has a skull right here on his little collar. He is adorable. He's cute. Very well made. Again, very, very well made. All these birds are just wonderfully made, and they're just so cute. And I can't wait to display all of them one day on one of my walls. Gotta find the perfect spot because there's about from what I was reading, there was about over 300, I think, so far, and they're still growing. So, and then now we have the bad witch. You can't have a good witch without the bad witch. And her name is Gloomer. Perfect name. Perfect name for her. Gloomer. Cute hat. Beautiful hair. Has like this nice streamers, like little silver streamers on her hair. Beautiful cape. Shiny and glitzy. Like always, her name on the tag. Name and year on her foot tag. Yeah, these birds are just the cutest. Just the cutest. I wish if you've never seen these birds, I wish that you could just touch them so you could see how nicely um, they are made. Like perfectly, like they feel durable. Like they'll last for a long time. Like they're not easily messed up or anything like that. The legs are like stiff. They are very, very well made. I seen some of the birds that they have in some stores. Like I've seen them in a Walmart. I've seen them in like craft supply stores. They sell birds like these, but they don't feel like the featherly friend birds. To me, they did an awesome job with their birds. You know, they make them so much more like quality. Like they're good quality in my opinion. Cute. And as always, these birds always have duos. And look at this. I fell in love with this one. I don't know if it's the little cat's face. I absolutely fell in love with this one. I could not wait to get my hands on. I just wanted to like squish it with my fingers. It's just so cute. And yeah, these are also well made. They always have a duo. And this one is called Witch and Cat. Witch and Cat. If you try to find this, you do have to put hide and eek, witch and cat duo. Chances are, boom, you'll find them like that. They're always attached right here. They're holding hands. And they always try to make them match, like the witch with the hat. They could have put the witch with a broomstick also, or a witch with a cauldron. I'm pretty sure in past years maybe they have another duo of a witch with a broom or maybe a cauldron. I wouldn't be surprised. I really love the duos. See here, we have a ghost and we have the rest in peace tombstone. Now, the ghost seems to have like it has like it goes down to where you can just pull the rest of the sheet here. But, since you're just going to have them sitting, I just, tuck that in there. Doesn't matter. Still looks cute like this. Nice. This is the back. I think if you can't find these, like if you were to say try to get past duos and you find them like in eBay and stuff like that, um, the duos seem to be more expensive. People sell the duos for more than they do the birds. I don't know why. I guess they figure they're just maybe they're just hard to get maybe. um I don't know why, really. Very well made. And I might just go and buy extras just to have an extra around. God forbid something happens to it, and at least I'll have one laying around somewhere. So guys, that ends the video. I am very happy to have done this video for you. As always, I will try to put these together. I always like to show all the birds at the end so you can see what you are getting. And do not forget that if you are starting to collect these birds and starting with the Halloween birds, they do still have the other ones on the Target website for $5. Now, if you go on eBay and you look for these, even the ones that are on Target for $5, they're trying to sell those now for a lot more. So please, before you go on eBay, go to the Target website and get them for just $5. Because I seen already these birds going for like $13 each. I only paid $5 for each bird. It's incredible. So guys, if you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making this video for you, like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one.